talking about your problems does get rid of anxiety. It does get rid of depression. It does sort out and get rid of personality disorders, or at the very least makes them manageable and livable. All that just by talking with somebody. So now we live in an age where we have phones. And here again, we have people with the same doubt. Does phone therapy really work? And the research definitely shows it does. As long as you have a meaningful, close connection with somebody as the therapist, as long as you're able to find a therapist who has a real approach, a real scientific way of sorting out issues, organizing problems, and a real clear path, a battle plan in sorting out those problems, well, you can't lose. Those are the 3 keys of therapy. And whether it's in person or on the phone, the key is being able to bring forth, to verbalize, to speak out the challenges and problems and fears we have in our lives so that we face them, so we tackle and challenge them, negotiate with them in order to move past them, to take the wisdom that's to be found in them, and to chuck the annoying suffering part along the way, to have a real meaningful, rich life. And that can be done on the phone too.